What up, YouTube? If y'all know the vibe, y'all know the vibe. Look, it's hot. That's how you know a nigga hot. He got the motherfucking shirt on top of his cap. Hell yeah, it's about time, huh? Had them headers a whole year in my house, nigga.
I know, just saying. Look at you.
Finally, the white man wanted to give me a hand and help him out.
You can see him do the engine. You probably see him do the engine.
Hell yeah. These bad boys right there. Taking the stock ones out. We want these aftermarket ones. But yeah, let's begin this video, Mike. Enough talking. So we got one header off. Here's the rest of the stuff. I'm getting Dave some cutters. I think they were right here. Yup. You probably need some big ones. So I'll just go right here. No. I know he got them. Yeah, there we go. And no. These will work perfectly. So y'all know I'm back in the hood if I'm back at Dave's house. I got the man finally changing these headers because I didn't want to do them because it's a nightmare. Plus, we got to cut the exhaust because it's welded. So yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let's see how it sounds with the long tube, boy. Big loud. That's the easy part, too. There you go. I don't know why you don't want me to lift the car up. Come here, Tiff. Look. No?
I don't know.
Hell no. Yeah, they will. You gotta angle it. You gotta angle it more. There you go. There you go. Let me help you. It's stuck. Yeah, boys. She's in there. Let's go, Dave. Whew. Now we gotta do the other side. And I gotta get an X pipe for my exhaust so I can get back pressure. I'm gonna order an X pipe.
Get off! No, Dad, just take it off. Get off of this. Jaden.
Fucking 5 hours my ass. Me and Dave knocked this off. We just knocked this shit off in what? 2 hours maybe? Less than 2 hours, huh? No shit. You sat down, you ate. I know, but they're in. You sat down, you ate your food, and we came back out here. So literally, we're like an hour and a buck. Hour and 30 minutes above. Driver, passenger. Just tying up the boats. Get off of there, Caleb. Come on. So yes, sir. Let's get it. That nigga saying, "Oh, I'm just here watching, recording." Nah. These hands is filthy. My hands is filthy. We've been working. For real. The sun is still up. It's almost getting ready to get dark, but we're fucking with this what you want to call it, oil. What's the name of the thing, Clarence? The right name? This dipstick, oil dipstick. To get that shit back down there is being a pain in the ass. But we're in all the way. Exhaust is back on, everything. Look at that. Exhaust is all the way done. From the back to the front. Header into there. We're just doing the dipstick issue, man. This is one of them.
This bracket is facing that.
All right, let's see if it wants the remote start now. And check engine light's not on. Oh, it didn't. All right, now let's see. Definitely louder. At least we got the job done, Dave. Alright, long 2 headers are in. The only thing is, because my exhaust is not welded, it's different to explain. So they're both connected. Here, hold this, nigga. Alright, so the exhausts are connected, right? They're like this. But what are you doing?
You like that, nigga.
What the fuck is you doing? Bro, stop messing. So here, hold this. The exhaust system is on. Y'all seen the headers on. Hold it. But underneath the car, they're like that. And because, stop moving, nigga. Instead of them being fucking welded, instead of them being unwelded right now, because they're unwelded, they're like this. They're like that. But tomorrow I'm gonna get the system connected like that. You get it? So right now the exhaust, you're gonna hear it from underneath the car and a little bit of behind the car. So let me 2-step it so you can hear it. But it sounds okay. It's louder.
Yeah.
And guess what? They're Texas speed headers, boy. I'm only gonna do it a few times. Why you backing up? Back at my house. Yup. Dave wasn't able to do it. He had to go to work. He didn't want to be late. So this is what I was showing you guys. The exhaust is connected, but right here, if y'all can see, it has that gap, and that's what I wanted to be getting weld. But I thought about it. If I get some clamps, it'll hold it, and then the car float will go all the way to the rear. Right now, when you turn the car on, you hear everything here, and it sounds like shit. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to knock this one off. Then I'm gonna have to lift the car, hopefully. Or hopefully I could just do both in this side. But yeah, car's up. Gotta get these clamps on there and let's get it going. Alrighty guys, there it is. That side is clear and done. Got this one right here done. The only bad thing about it, this one, well, it's actually this one, has a bit of a gap. Like, you can barely tell, but it does. And this, let me see if I can get it. Right around here has a gap. If anything, I'll just have them weld it. I think we're good. I think we should be solid. So this is a cold start, guys. It's a bit louder. Woo! These are the results from the headers, boy. Woo! Yo, I can't even fucking scream, bro. I got no voice in me. But yeah, guys, this is the results of having long 2 headers. Yeah. So I'm about to show you guys how she sounds, and let's get this video out, boys. You guys heard? She's loud, man. Now look, once she warms up, it does quiet down. That's even weirder. I thought it was gonna be louder at idle, but no, that's only at cold start. Y'all can see she's getting even warm. But at cold start, she is loud as shit. But other than that, she does quiet down at idle. And when the car gets up to temperature, I'm gonna show you guys a couple revs, man. She's louder. I did so many things, man. We did get the car. If y'all seen the video already, hopefully y'all have. I've been uploading every parts of this freaking journey so late, so I'm sorry about that, but my video should be up already, where the car got dynoed and all that. We removed the governor so she doesn't tap out at 4,500, or it's more in the middle. It's like 4,300 RPM. She revs up all the way to 7. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys some clips. Let this car warm up and I'll show you guys. She's all welded, exhaust is welded. We don't have clamps no more, like the B clamps or V clamps. We don't have them anymore. I got the exhaust all welded up. So here we are, guys. I find a nice spot. I can rev the car. You feel me? I did a video here a couple months ago or a month ago, and it turned out good. No one bothered. No one got bothered. So here she is. Let me show you guys the inside. And you tell me how you think she sounds, man. So like I said, this is with a tune. Before I wasn't able to do this unless you you know, cheat your ways to do it, but this is just normal. I have it in park. Yeah, I can see it's in park. And I could go above 43 RPM. Oh man, that's loud. Whew. So you guys tell me how you think she sounds.